Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, more good news coming for Samsung budget and mid-range phones. Samsung is rolling out One UI 8.5 beta update to more Samsung budget phones. So recently Samsung rolled out a One UI 8.5 beta update to Samsung Galaxy A35, A55, A36 and even in my Samsung Galaxy S23 Fe got the One UI 8.5 beta update. Now guys, Samsung has more good news for budget A series phone. Samsung has created One UI 8.5 beta community page for Galaxy A54 5G. Yes guys, as you can see, and this page has been created for Indian users. So that means A34 will also get One UI 8.5 beta, and surprisingly till now A56 haven't got the One UI 8. Beta. I don't know why, but A36 has already got the One UI 8.5 beta, and the new member has now just added like A54 will also receive One UI 8.5 beta, and if A54 will get beta update, then I think A34 will also receive One UI 8.5 beta update in upcoming days, like 4 or 5 days I guess. So this is a huge good news for A34 and A54 users. After seeing all these phones added in One UI 8.5 beta program, I think in next week M series and F series might also add it in One UI 8.5 beta program. Who knows, like M56 or F56. So this is a huge good news for A54 and A34 users. Just download the Samsung member app and check for the update. Okay. So guys, this was the latest news regarding One UI 8.5 beta update. As you know, whenever there is a latest news, I always make a video and inform you guys. So that's why guys, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have already received One UI 8.5 beta update, then I have made a video after updating to One UI 8.5. You just need to enable these 5 hidden features, amazing hidden features in One UI 8.5 update. So I just made this video yesterday. The link will be in the description. Go and watch this video. You won't be disappointed. Okay. And guys, whenever there is a new news, I will make a video and inform you guys. So subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much once again, and congratulations for A54 also. They will also get One UI 8.5 beta update.